Hi, Dean here with Grow It Media with a quick tutorial on how to manage your menu. To do that, we'll go to apps.growitmedia.com. We'll plug in the provided credentials. From here, you'll see some of the analytics, total revenue, download analytics. We'll go over to build under create. We'll choose the location that we want to edit the menu on. Right now we'll do St. George. We'll scroll down to menu. Here you can edit each menu item. For now we'll focus on the flavors. So we'll go to Italian Ice. We'll hit the edit icon. Right here's your item description, the category, which is Italian Ice, item name, price, which is usually the cheapest item under sizes. So for $2.19, it's a starting price. Go over to sizes, you can choose the sizes here, change the price, options. This is where you can choose what flavors are available. So let's say you have banana, blue lagoon, and butterbeer today. You can turn those on. Scroll down to the bottom and hit save. And those options would be available on the app. Get rid of those again. You can see the ones that are available. These are all flavors that we've put in before. If you'd like to add one, you would just hit add option. It's going to drop in at the very bottom. You would put in the name of the flavor. You can also add a different price if for some reason that option is more expensive than any of the other flavors. You can allow a certain quantity. To delete one that you've added or any of the previously added flavors, you would just check it here, scroll to the top, and hit delete. And you'll see that option is gone. And that is about the gist of it. It goes the same for all the other flavors in other products. We'll go down to food products, hit that little arrow and it'll drop down. This option, the cinnamon pretzels, looks like it's disabled right now, but you could easily enable it by hitting this little button. We'll disable that again. Same thing goes for any of the other products. If your Oreo shakes are out of order, you can just turn it off right here. You can turn off an entire category, just like that. Make sure if you do any changes here, you go up and hit save. So if I turned off Italian Ice, you would have to hit save. These options over here have to do with location, services. You can turn on delivery if you'd like to. You can turn on dine in. These are your payment options. You can also turn on pay at counter, turn on and off tips, change your tax percentage. This you may not have to worry about, but you can edit what the customer gets as a receipt. You don't have to worry about extras. So that is about the gist when it comes to editing your menu. If you have any other questions, you can contact me at dean@growitmedia.com. Thanks. Have a great day.